What is going on, everybody? How are you doing out there this fine day? I got a little bit of a different video today. A friend of mine, his name's Tom. I'm going to say Tom's probably in his 70s, maybe 80s. I'm not sure. He's been garage sailing his whole life. He's always been a picker before the American, way before the American pickers. And he is now deciding to sell his collection. And on Facebook Marketplace, his grandson listed for him pressed steel toys, and there's a couple in there I got my eyes on that will definitely be additions to the collection, so I'm excited to get over there and see what we can find.
Different stuff there, different stuff here.
Right. You had some trucks though, that's why I was...
Huh?
Trucks, you had pickup trucks, like, yeah, right there, those. Is this the stuff for sale or no?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what he was pointing at.
And all this for sale too.
Well, it's all for sale, right?
Yeah.
Just the right price.
Right.
What's that?
Just barely hit
Yeah.
what you did.
Was this all full of stuff this morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he took the stuff I was eyeballing too, the wine dot stuff. All right, let's put it right here. Oh yeah, the emergency unit. Yeah, I got this one.
You got a new one of them?
Yeah, newer. It's got all the stuff in the back. It was electricity. Yeah, that's right. It had some type of a lift in the back of it or something.
Buddy hell.
Yeah.
Mm.
Where's that one there?
Just set the stuff wherever you're down or up or away later. Just took them a look at. Just go and look at it. I'll sit over here and get out of your way. So.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think the guy that came before me got the ones I was looking at too.
You don't like the what's named here? These type here?
Structo?
Huh?
Or those Structo?
Yeah.
They're okay. I've already got them. Like I've got quite a few of them. Do you mind if I just walk through there, or?
Yeah, you can walk through there. Just watch yourself. You watch your head. There's a low hanging thing.
Right.
Just a little bit of everything. If there's any special thing you're looking at, I kind of point out to you.
Yeah. Yeah, you got it all.
Yeah, I've been going to yard sales for about 50 or 60 years. So.
50 or 60 years of collecting here.
Quite a few stuff last few years ago.
Yeah, you've been selling quite a bit.
Yeah, before that was jam packing in no aisles or nothing. I got pulleys, old pulleys.
Boy, look at the size of that crock. You got a meat grinder? A lot of meat grinders back here.
Huh?
A lot of meat grinders.
Yeah, meat grinder. Yeah, I'll make the deal on that meat grinder.
I'll make a deal on those. Yeah, I bet you would.
I went to the buck a piece.
Buck a piece on a meat grinder. There you go.
Yeah, I went nuts on the meat grinder for some reason. Yeah, I sold well in them hand grills too. I went nuts on them. I sold 400 of them last week.
Huh. Boy, so every time you saw a kid's toolbox, you just picked it up, huh?
The toolbox is rare. Toolboxes are in for sale.
Okay, let's reset. Frankenstein. $19.95. Huh. What, you got ice cream buckets here?
Yeah, they're for sale.
Jeepers. What do you get for an ice cream bucket?
$10.
10 bucks? Okay. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they come in handy for a lot of different things.
Yeah, a lot of people use them for planters, you know.
Yeah, you don't even have to
Ow.
farmers leave for plastic and shit if they want $30 for them. You know?
Yeah. You got a cannonball here?
Yeah,
Shot put?
Ball, shot put. I don't know what it is.
Wow.
Well, I guess.
Even got a turtle.
Huh?
Even got a turtle.
Ours in them garbage cans too.
Oh yeah? Which one?
They're not the kind that you buy. They're just like $5 ones, you know.
Are they plastic or are they metal?
Yeah, different. I think. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Stuff there.
Oh, okay.
I didn't think I had a Tonka. I'll be damned. I got a Tonka.
Got a Tonka right on top
I
there.
wanted a Tonka.
All right, we'll see what you got in here.
I'll leave that. Yeah, just leave that lid off that one. I'll put some of the things back in that other thing.
Okay.
One of those other ones.
But like, that's cool, you know? Is that Tootsie toy? Yeah, it's a Tootsie toy. Just... Well, that's cool. Yeah, here.
Sold it for a case of beer or something. It's kind of a unique Tom Thumb typewriter. That one on top there. You ever
Oh,
seen
right
one
here.
of them? Yeah.
No, I have not. Oh, wow. Yeah, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? All embossed like that. That's neat. Yeah. Wow, look at all the lanterns.
Just be careful, you don't cut yourself.
Right, oh yeah.
And on push was a lot of hooks and sharp objects.
All right, I'll be all right. What's that, buddy?
If you want me to help to move something, I will.
Oh no, I'm just being back here being nosy and see if anything jumps out. I'm just back here seeing if anything jumps out at me like a bow and arrow or something.
Yeah, them are good. Pretty nice bows for cheap. Maybe you can shoot a few of them coons we got around here.
Yeah. There's some more of those ice cream buckets. Oh, you're good. I just want to see what this was here. Well, that's even plastic, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a repo.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You got that one? Oh, we'll make a pile. That spaceman's cool. Oh, I don't want them. I just think they're creepy.
Oh.
Right? Okay.
Small.
Sweet.
Good job.
John Deere.
Yeah, somebody still been in there so long I didn't even know I had it.
I've never seen. It says Banco del Centro. It's like from South America or something. Oh.
Yeah, some kind of bank because doggone this thing holds the door.
Yeah.
Well, man, who knows, you know?
Like that's missing the back door, you know. Oh, got a yellow tire.
Yeah, this is long. Yeah, if it wasn't plastic, it was some kind of metal, I bought it.
Yeah. But, you know, it's
Pretty thick, isn't it?
It's thick, yeah. It's like,
it says something about the W. That's made good, ain't it?
yeah, that's the real deal.
Well, I like a.
I almost wonder if it's a homemade jobber. They made it, you know, I bet you that's a homemade trailer of sorts. Pretty rough, but what are you gonna charge me for all that treasure?
I was $5 a piece there. Sorry.
That's fine by me if it's good for you.
Okay.
All right, so this is the picture of what I went over there to pick up. He had all these toys at the bottom of this shelf, and I could tell that there were some really old and highly desirable ones in this pile. By the time I got there, unfortunately, someone had beat me to it and had taken all the good stuff. However, not to fret, he opened up the trash cans and started showing me toys that nobody else had seen yet. And I kind of got first dibs on those, which I was very excited. Plus, I got to go through his garage for the first time. I'd never been in there before, and so that was a treat as well. But now that we're home, let's take a look at what we got here. All right, everybody, I ran to the bank, got some money, came back, and Tom had put all of this inside of this Scotch whiskey crate. And I was like, well, Tom, that's got value too. He didn't care. It was 50 bucks for everything, including the crate, which was an incredible deal. I've dropped off stuff at his house a lot over the years, given him stuff for free for him to resell, stuff that was either too big or, you know, just didn't want to deal with it. So anyway, he made me a really good deal on all this. The crate alone, I'll tell you right now, I found one that just like it that sold for right around $35. So that means I need to make up about 15 on this group. Before I go into the individual toys, I want to talk about this one right here. This is a station wagon, and I looked it up. There was only one available on eBay, and they were asking $100, but it was in great condition, or much better condition than this one. This one had a yellow wheel and 3 black wheels. The hatch was missing. So I just threw it on for $9 on eBay, and it sold within the hour. So we've already made 10 of our $50 back. And then this group right here, I listed just the other night, and there are things like you can see, like the missing support there for the roof. This one here too, missing supports for the roof. This station wagon is in good shape. There was a car here that's missing the side. You can kind of see there. So I listed these for $12.99 best offer, thinking someday somebody might offer me 8. And again, they sold within the hour, so I have to ship those out now. So out of this group that we spent $50 for, we've already earned back 21. But anyway, let's just talk about some of the highlights here. This one here is probably the best buy of the day. This pink Buddy L hot rod is missing the gas tank. It's missing some, I'm assuming that these are missing. Maybe it was designed that way. I'm not even sure. But this pink is a hard color to find. There's a green one out there. I am currently asking $49 and plus shipping on that. It's got 18 views. It's got 1 watcher, so that will probably alone will make most of the money back. But it's got issues like, you know, it's broken right there. Again, it's missing the gas tank. I think it did have a top on it as well, so it has some issues. This Hawkeye's van has got 1 watcher already. So that's going to go, I think it was $24.99. What else? Oh, this guy here, the Tonka truck forklift, is highly desirable. I currently put it on for $24.99. It's got 4 watchers. This truck here also was $24.99 I put on, and I think it's got 1 or 2 watchers right now. The boat and the bank truck seems to be very, very little to no interest on those 2 whatsoever. So it's going to be hit and miss. I'll definitely make some money back, and I'll sell some of this. And I think eventually I will have to get rid of the parts that I don't sell. So all in all, still fun to dig through Tom's stuff. So I forgot to mention that all in all, that $50, if I were to sell through everything, which I won't, I know I won't, but if I were to sell through everything, I'd make about $225. So that would be a really good return on your investment. Again, I know that's not going to happen, but still, I had a good time. If you saw anything that I missed in his garage, if you're like, dude, you should have picked this up, you should have bought that, let me know in the comments, because he does not live very far away. I could walk to his house if I wanted to, and I'm definitely going to go back for that shot put cannonball thing and Frankenstein. And he said that there are more trash cans that we haven't even gone through yet. So definitely going to be back to buy some more as this stuff sells. So anyway, let me know what I missed in the comments. But otherwise, guys, that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and we will see you at the next toy hunt. Bye, everybody.